You type a question and hit send. Your words are wrapped in an encrypted request and leave your computer in tiny packets. Those packets hop across the internet, router to router, through fiber lines under cities and oceans, heading for a data center. Inside, a load balancer checks your request and hands it to a server whose GPU holds the model. Billions of tiny numbers, called parameters. The model can't read words. Your sentence is chopped into tokens, little chunks, and each one becomes a long list of numbers. Those numbers flow through dozens of neural network layers. Attention lets each word look back at the words before it, building up meaning. Then the model predicts one token at a time, over and over, and the answer streams back to your screen, word by word.